What's up, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in Amarillo, Texas. No clouds in the sky, little bitty wind, and today I'm gonna make some money. Got all these copper motors ready to cut up. Some big, some little, but they all pay what they weigh, as they say. They're from compressors, electric motors, fan motors, and the like. This is just a little pile that I had sitting over here, and I'm ready to get them out the way. So gonna cut them all up, pull the copper out, get a weight on it, see how much money I made. Just a couple simple tools: angle grinder, pry bar, hammer. That's about it. That's all you need. Some gloves and safety glasses. So here we go, guys. Let's cut these up. And guys, sometimes this happens. I'm glad I didn't get all the way through because this top thicker winding is all aluminum. Only the smaller center winding is copper. So honestly, I just throw these with scrap. But I might, this one's still pretty thick, so I might go ahead and do this one later, but I'm gonna put it to the side for now. Alright guys, we are almost done, and as y'all can see, these electric fan motors are by far the most difficult and time consuming to process. They're always covered with this hard resin, glue, whatever it is, and it just keeps everything so tight in there you can't prime out like you could, say, just a regular compressor motor. And I've been told over and over and over that the best way to remove these is with an air hammer. So I guess today I'm gonna try that and see if it works. Must be doing something wrong. Am I doing something wrong? So that didn't work for me. All right, we got a little bit of action now. Kind of works and kind of doesn't. I'm about 100% sure I was doing something wrong, because I've seen this guy. I'm not sure what his YouTube is, but his TikTok is Levas Recycling, and that guy, he drills them out of there quick and fast in a hurry with that air hammer. So maybe mine just ain't quite up to par. Little Harbor Freight job, but it kind of worked, kind of didn't. I mean, I ain't mad at it. This is the last little O. I'm gonna go ahead and let that air hammer rest, because I think I can handle this one. Nice and easy, y'all, nice and easy. There it is. Number 2 copper. And some clean steel. Let's go see what it weighs. $32 pounds. My bucket weighs 3, so 29 pounds of number 2 copper. I got double that in there and probably triple that one over here. And that's one thing I want to touch base on, guys, is what I do. You know, when I first started scrapping, I would just, you know, I'd scrap out those motors, and then this would go to the scrapyard for the 75 bucks. But somewhere along the way, I started stockpiling, and that's what you see here. Is I stockpile my copper, my brass, and sometimes my aluminum. And come tax time, February and March, when I file my taxes, the same week that I'm gonna get paid for my taxes, I take all this to the scrapyard, and I get, you know, a pretty good pile of money for this stuff that, you know, I could have got 75 bucks here, 150 there, $300 there through the year if I needed it. But I save this up for the end of the year, and I scrap it all out, and I go get paid and get that big chunk of cash in my pocket. Feels good, y'all. So that's all for today. I hope y'all liked the video and learned something. I'm not too sure about that air hammer. If you guys got any input on that, let me know what I was doing wrong or why it wasn't working the way I thought it would. But guys, please like, share, subscribe if y'all seen anything y'all liked, and I'll have more coming y'all's way. Y'all have a great day. Now y'all know what to do. Go get some copper.